This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Western-style ribs in the oven. Start by preparing your ribs for a delicious oven cook. First, carefully remove the thin membrane from the back of each rack. This ensures a tender bite. Next, generously apply your favorite dry rub, making sure to cover both sides thoroughly for maximum flavor. Finally, preheat your oven to a steady 275 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for slow cooking perfection. Now, let's get those ribs cooking to fall off the bone tenderness. Tightly wrap each rack of seasoned ribs in heavy-duty aluminum foil, creating a sealed packet. Place these wrapped ribs on a sturdy baking sheet to catch any drips. Then, slide them into your preheated oven and let them slow roast for approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. This low and slow method is key for achieving incredibly tender results. It's time to add that irresistible sticky glaze. Carefully remove the ribs from their foil packets and discard any accumulated liquid. Now, generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce all over both sides of the ribs. Don't be shy. Increase your oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing for the final caramelization step. This higher heat will help develop a beautiful, flavorful crust. For the grand finale, place the sauced ribs back into the hotter oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep a close eye on them as the sauce caramelizes and becomes wonderfully tacky and slightly browned. Once they've reached perfection, remove them from the oven and let them rest for a crucial 10 minutes before slicing. This ensures juicy, flavorful ribs every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.